Hello students, so let us continue the same exercise 2.2b. So it's a question number 5, so let us see how to solve. Is evaluate this, that means you have to find the value of this. Okay, so solution 47c4 plus summation r goes from 1 to 5. You know this, the meaning of this symbol is called addition summation. Okay, 52 minus r c3. Now it is 47c4 plus, now you can split it by putting the value of r from 1 to 5. You just put the value r equals to 1, then plus r equals to 2, like this. Okay, so it is 52 minus 1 c3 plus 50 52 minus 2 c3 plus 52 minus 3 c3 plus 52 minus 4 c3 plus 52 minus 5 c3. Right, this is what the meaning. I have put r equals to 1 plus r equals to 2 plus r equals to 3 plus r equals to 4 plus r equals to 5. Okay, this is the meaning of the symbol. Now this equals to 47c4 plus 51c3 plus 50c3 plus 49c3 plus 48c3 plus 47c3. Right, now it is 47, it is also 47. Now take these two terms together. It is 47c3 plus 47c4. Okay, then write this term 48c3 plus 49c3 plus 50c3 plus 51c3. Okay, I have just written this term in this position, then this term, then this term here, this term here, this term here, and this term here. Just rearranging the term. Okay, I have done nothing in this step, just rearranging the term. Now you see, now this is what? 47, I have one formula, isn't it? NCR plus NCR minus 1 is what? N plus 1 CR. Isn't it? We have done it. We have done it. Remember this one. Now I am going to use this one here. Now it is same, you see, N and same. N and same. So it is 47, 47 same. Then R and R minus 1. Now you see, if you consider this as your R, 4, then it will be 4 minus 1. Isn't it? This 3 is nothing but 4 minus 1. So your R is what? N plus 1 CR. So R is your 4. Right? Your R is what? R is 4. NCR plus NCR minus 1. So it is N plus 1 CR. Okay? There is 48C3 plus 49C3 plus 50C3 plus 51C3. Now you see, this is what? 48. 48C4 plus 48C3 plus 49C3 plus 50C3 plus 51C3. Now you see, it is same. Says same formula again. You have to use. You have to use your same formula. This one. You see N and same. This 48. Then again it is NCR plus NCR minus 1. Right. So now it will be what? 48 plus 1. So it will be 49. Right. So 49 CR. R is 4. So 4 plus 49C3 plus 50C3 plus 51C3. Right? Now again you see, you have to use the same thing again. 49, 49. So now your N is 49. So NCR plus NCR minus 1. That is 49C4 plus 49C4 minus 1. Right? So again it will be N plus 1 CR. So 49 plus 1 is 50. So 50C4 plus 50C3 plus 51C3. Now again you see, again I am going to use this formula with these terms. Okay, now my n is 50. So again NCR plus NCR minus 1. So it will be n plus 1 CR. So 50 plus 1 will be 51. So it will be 51 CR plus 51 C3. Now again use the same concept here. Now again you see your n is 51. So 51 C4 plus 51 C4 minus 1. It is 3. Right? So it will be 51 plus 1 CR. So it will be 51 plus 1 is 52. So it is 52 CR. Now this is your answer. 52 C4. Right? You can keep it like that or you can calculate it also. No problem. Better to keep it here. Okay? So this problem is very easy. This problem depends on this formula. If you know this one, you can easily do this. Isn't it? So it's a great application of this formula. It's a great application. It's a nice problem. So let us do the next problem. So before that, pause the video, note it down. So now let us solve the next problem, number 6. So this problem is like that. Find n and r if n plus 1 c r plus 1 is to n c r is to n minus 1 c r minus 1 equals to 11 is to 6 is to 3. Okay. So problem number 2 and problem number 3 are same as problem number 1. Okay. So if you know how to solve problem number 1, then you can easily do the number 2 and number 3 also. Okay. So number 2 and number 3 are homework for you. Try to solve by your own. So let us see how to solve problem number 1. Let us see. Solution. Okay, that means this with this is to this is to this equals to this is to this is to this. So I can write first this is to this. Solution n plus 1 cr plus 1 is to ncr equals to 11 is to 6. I can write it, right? So first of all, let us calculate it properly. This implies n plus 1 cr plus 1 divided by ncr equals to 11 by 6. Okay. Now we have to calculate this one. It will be n plus 1 factorial divided by factorial r plus 1, then n plus 1 minus r plus 1. Right? Whole factorial. Whole thing divided by factorial n by factorial r into factorial n minus r. Right? It is 11 by 6. Nothing I have done. I just apply the formula. I just apply the definition of combination. Okay? That means NCR is factorial n by factorial r into n minus r. We have to calculate it properly. It will be factorial n plus 1. Then it will be what? Factorial r plus 1. It is what? N plus 1 minus r. So it will be n minus r. Whole thing divided by factorial n by factorial r into n minus r equals to 11 by 6. Okay? That will be what? This term and this term cancel. Right? Okay? Yeah. Now you see, this can be written as factorial n plus 1. This term will, I can bring this term in the numerator of this ratio. So it will be factorial r, whole thing divided by factorial n into factorial r plus 1. So it is 11 by 6. Right? Now this equals to factorial n plus 1 can be written as n plus 1 into factorial n. Right? So it will be n plus 1 into factorial n, and it is factorial r. Now it is factorial n, and factorial r plus 1 can be written as r plus 1 into factorial r. Right? So it is 11 by 6. Now this implies it's cancelled. Factorial cancel, this cancel, so it will be n plus 1 by r plus 1 equals to 11 by 6, right? Now you can do calculate. 6n plus 6 equals to 11r plus 11, right? So it is nothing but 6n plus 11r, 6n plus 11r, not plus, it will be minus, 6n minus 11r, it will be equals to 5, right? 11 minus 6 is 5. Give it equation number 1. Okay. Now let us calculate the next one. This ratio. First of all I have taken this with this. Now I am going to take this with this. Okay. Now NCR is to n minus 1c r minus 1 equals to what? 6 is to 3. 6 is to 3. Right. Now this implies it will be NCR divided by n minus 1c r minus 1 equals to 6 by 3. Okay. Now it is factorial n by factorial r factorial n minus r whole thing divided by factorial n minus 1 by factorial r minus 1 to factorial n minus 1 minus r minus 1 factorial. It will be 2, right? It is factorial n by factorial r into n minus r whole thing divided by factorial n minus 1 whole thing divided by factorial r minus 1 then n minus r. N minus r implies equals to 2, right? Now this factorial n minus r cancel with this factorial n minus r. Okay. Now this ratio becomes factorial n into factorial n into factorial r minus 1 divided by factorial r into factorial n minus 1 factorial n minus 1 equals to 2, right? Now I can expand this one, so it will be n into factorial n minus 1, so it is factorial r minus 1 divided by, now I can write this as r into factorial r minus 1, it is factorial n minus 1 equals to 2. Now this equals to, this is cancelled with this is cancelled with this, so it will be n by r equals to 2. So now it is n equals to 2r, give it equation number 2. Right, n equals to 2r, give it equation number 2. Now from 1 and 2, you write or putting the value of n from 2 in 1, putting the value of n from 2 in 1, we get, what we get, just put the value n equals to 2r here, it will be 2r minus, n equals to 2r, right? So 6 into 2r minus 11r equals to 5. So it will be 12r minus 11r equals to 5. So it will be what? R equals to 5. So it's a good value. R equals to 5. Now just put the value R equals to this. So from 2, n equals to what? 2 into R, right? 2 into R, so R is 5. So now 2 into 5 is 10. So your answer is what? Your solution is n equals to 10, R equals to 5. Okay? So this type of problems are also easy, but you have to take care of the calculation part. Okay? You have to properly manage those terms, and these steps are very important. These steps and these steps. Okay? These two steps are very important. Otherwise the problems are easy problems. So try to solve number 2 and number 3 by your own. Okay? Because this number 2 and number 3 are same as the number 1. Okay? So let us solve the next problem. So before that, pause the video, note it down. So let us prove number 7 one by one. Two questions are there. So I will solve both of them one by one. Okay. So number 1, proof or solution you can write. No need to write proof. Solution. So LHS. Your LHS is what? NCR. This one. Okay. This one. NCR plus NCR plus 1 plus N plus 1 CR plus 2. Okay. So now this equals to, now again I am going to use this one. Okay. NCR plus NCR minus 1 equals to N plus 1 CR. So this formula is very useful. Always remember it. This is very useful. Now you see, I can write this one as NC. I can write this one as R plus 1 minus 1 plus NCR plus 1 plus N plus 1 CR plus 2. Isn't it? I can write R as R plus 1 minus 1. Isn't it? Because plus 1 minus 1 will cancel with each other. So now you see NCR plus NC, if you consider this as whole R, that means NC something minus 1 plus NC something. Right? You see, NC something plus NC something minus 1 equals to N plus 1 CR. So NC something minus 1 plus NC something equals to what? N plus 1 C something. Right? So it will be N plus 1 C. Now something is this one. That is R plus 1 plus N plus 1 C R plus 2. Okay? Now you see, now I can write this as N plus 1 C R plus 2 minus 1 plus N plus 1 C R plus 2. Isn't it? Because R plus 1 can be written as R plus 2 minus 1. Because 2 minus 1 will be 1. Right? Now again use this formula here. You will get what? N plus 1 plus 1 C R plus 2. Isn't it? So it will be N plus 2 C R plus 2. So it is done here. Right? It is done. This is the proof. So it is RHS. Okay? It is RHS. Now let me prove the second one here. Number 2. Solution. So LHS, this one. So it is N minus 2 CR plus 2 into N minus 2 C R minus 1 plus N minus 2 C R minus 2. Okay. Now this is what? N minus 2 CR. Now this is what? 2 times of this term. One is this term plus this term. That means 2x. 2x can be written as x plus x. Right? So it can be written as N minus 2 CR minus 1 plus N minus 2 CR minus 1 plus N minus 2 CR minus 2. Right? Now again I am going to use this formula. You see, this N minus 2 N minus 2 same, and it is R and it is R minus 1. Right? So by combining these two terms, I can write N minus 2 plus 1 CR, then write the resultant terms N minus 2 C R minus 1 plus N minus 2 C R minus 2. Right? So it will be what? Now I can I can use this same fact here also. Right? You see, it is N minus 2 C R minus 1 plus N minus 2 C. This can be written as R minus 1 minus 1. Isn't it? Because R minus 2 can be written as R minus 1 minus 1. Right? Now this is what? This is N minus 1 CR plus, now again use this fact here, this fact. See, N minus 2 same, so it will be N minus 2 plus 1 C. Now which one is smaller? R minus 1 is smaller, so it is R minus 1. Again it is N minus 1 CR plus it is N minus 1 CR minus 1. Now again use this formula here. You will get N minus 1 plus 1 CR. So it is NCR and it is RHS. Right? So you see this formula has huge application, right? So you have to remember this one, because if you don't know this and if you are not able to use this formula in a proper way, then you will not able to prove those problems as well as the previous problems. Okay? So thank you.